Siri_bot says Siri_bot has joined Cerebral Love. Frosty the Mexican says woo. Lexa_ha says hi. Roller_D0G says hi. Fishboylel says hello UglyMoo1mo jump. Ronthidon1003_ says hello. Call of Duty Player 7658 says hi Moo and Tigger. AKIO189 says hello. Clever77A2 says hi. Lexa_ha says I was the first. Reed Gerka2 says hey Moo been a while. Ronthidon1003_ says I come from a video saying to follow you. Fatal Mistake says nada. Frosty the Mexican says this stream bout to be bussin'. Digitalit says hi. Tropes Plays says hey guys. Saeed says hi D-head. Lexa_ha says hi. Big Boybud1 says yo ho ho. Digitalit says yo. That girl 186 says hi Moo. Roller_D0G says. Avril 2001 says hi. AKIO189 says how's everyone today? Big Boybud1 says how we doing peeps? Ryder Plays says get ready Moo is about to cook. Lexa_ha says good. Digitalit says good. Lexa_ha says is he. SUKEY107 says hello. Big Boybud1 says hope everyone had a good week. Ang3LiUG_Itatari says hello everyone. Lexa_ha says hi. Luannax says hello from France white smiling face. H8 Angel says work never makes the week good haha. Call of Duty Player 7658 says where have you been? Frosty the Mexican says nothing better than a bussin' Friday stream. Ryder Plays says I have stayed up all night because for me it's 3 o'clock and I wanna watch Moo.
I'm gonna do a quick ad real quick.
Says hello from Finland.
Heck yeah, welcome everyone from France, Finland, wherever you guys are from. Heck yeah. 1 minute ad real quick. Because they're going to start in 3 minutes anyway, so I might as well start it now and get it over with.
Says true. Work sucks but it's over. Till Monday loudly crying face. Call of Duty Player 7658 says at Frosty the Mexican hi how have you been?
I've been alright. Been better, but I'm alright.
Says GI. Easton's 18 says hi.
Alright, while we're waiting for the ad to end, we're gonna break off the supports here.
Frosty the Mexican says AO at Call of Duty Player 7658 nothing everything bussin' hope you been bussin' usual. Lexa_ha says wow. Ang3LiUG_Itatari says that looks cool.
Thank you. Hoping that painted to look even better.
Ungrunta Halo says hello. Waving hand sign.
Welcome in everybody. Alright, ads are over. Heck yeah.
Bussin', no cap, respectfully.
Thank you for the bits, heck yeah.
AKIO189 says that looks nice.
It actually printed out pretty nice for once.
Ang3Lyug_Itatari says I really like it.
Like, it's a Pikachu ghost face.
I think I need a hug.
Right? Alright, actually turned out better than I thought it did.
Frosty the Mexican says did you say Pikachu ghost face?
Yeah, it's a Pikachu
Let
ghost
me
face.
just go grab my wallet real quick. Call of Duty Player 7658 says I've been waiting so long to be in heaven again watching your streams.
Well, let's see. I've actually been trying to recover from, like, I just took a couple days and
IZBig009 says hi.
hey, I've been having a hard time breathing and all that stuff, so, you know, got to the doctor, and got on the right meds. He had some pre-samples at his office, thank God. Like, he gave me a really good inhaler, some better antibiotics. So.
Ang3Lyug_Itatari says I would wanna get that ghost face Pikachu, but honestly I'm broke loudly crying face.
Well, I'm sure it's gonna be around for a while.
AKIO189 says hope you get better.
Oh yeah, I'm actually feeling better
Frosty
today.
the Mexican
So.
says yo that looks hella sick ASF and damn moo hope you feel more bussin' soon.
Oh yeah.
Ryder Plays says dang yo okay moo.
So no, but I'm just saying I did take a couple days to. So I'm not on here trying to. I'm struggling breathing and it's not feeling good, or. So I did take the extra time for myself. So.
Call of Duty Player 7658 says oh you're all good, take all the time off you need, hope you get better.
Heck yeah. No, but I'm just saying I did take some time for myself. I don't like to stream when I'm not feeling so good, and but I feel better. I feel much better today, so let's hope it stays that way.
Frosty the Mexican says well I'm glad you feel a lot more bussin'.
Yeah, right. Alright, yeah, today we got Pikachu.
Transaricol says hey moo and Panther.
Hey.
Ang3Lyug_Itatari says glad you're feeling good today moo.